Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to track content calendars in Notion in 2025 so you never miss a post or campaign deadline again. The easiest way is to start a content calendar template from Notion Gallery or Community. Most already come with a table and calendar views, plus comments, content type, platform, publish date, and stay to. Duplicate one in your own workspace and customize it to fit your workflow. Once it's set up, add your upcoming posts, whether that's blog article, YouTube videos, or Instagram Reels. Inside each card, you can store draft, text, link, design assets, or notes for your team. Use tags for platforms like TikTok, LinkedIn, or YouTube, so you can filter content by channel. Timeline view is also great for seeing your campaign spread across weeks or months. Finally, integrate reminders so you and your team get notified before deadlines with everything centralized. You can plan ahead, spot gaps, and keep your posting consistent. With Notion as your content calendar, you will stay organized, save time, and keep every project on schedule. Thanks everyone for watching.